Hi, it's Bernadette back again. And so today I want to talk about the second element of profitability, and that's getting the right plan on your project. Now, deciding what to do in the project, what improvements you'll make, and how you'll do that is critical, because you've heard of the word overcapitalising. That is a really common problem with renovators. So you know your market and you know what you need to deliver. We use a concept called Cosmetic Plus, where we do a bit more than a cosmetic renovation, but not a full structural renovation. Because once you bring council approvals and engineers and lots of cost and uncertainty, because you don't know whether you're going to get the approval, it'll drag the time frame out. That's adding an element of risk that will impact or can impact your project. So you want to choose some aspects of your renovation that are really going to improve the functionality of the home. And the way you make that decision is based on a few things. One, what your research will have informed you, because you research to find out what your market will pay for. But two, buyer objections. So working through feedback from the people that have looked at the property. And also you need to figure that out for yourself as well, because of course when you're looking at it, when you're buying the property, you're looking from a different perspective. Your buyer will be way pickier because they're buying at a higher price point. So you want to make sure that you get clear about what they will want and what they will pay for. You can't do everything. So it becomes a process of compromise. So you've got to pick out the things that are going to make the most impact, and you've got to decide what you're not going to do. Because if you try and do everything, you will move into the overcapitalising camp, and that doesn't make your profit. Okay, so that's today's lesson. I'll see you tomorrow.